So today, we will be making as brackets. So first things first, paano ba nagsimula yung Glomer? Pero syempre, alam naman ng lahat na you both are siblings. So maybe you can tell us how that came about.